Welcome back to Auto Odyssey. Today, we're diving deep into the exterior of the 2025 Audi A8, a flagship sedan that redefines luxury and performance. Starting at the front, the 2025 A8 features Audi's signature single-frame grille, which has been elegantly redesigned for a more aggressive look. The bold chrome accents and sleek contours give it a commanding presence on the road. The new HD Matrix LED headlights not only enhance visibility but also incorporate dynamic turn signals. This advanced lighting technology adds a futuristic touch while ensuring safety and sophistication. Moving to the side, the A8 boasts a sleek silhouette that flows seamlessly from front to back. Its long wheelbase and low stance create an impression of stability and grace. The pronounced character lines add a touch of sportiness to its luxurious demeanor. Let's not forget about the wheels. The 2025 A8 offers a range of stunning alloy wheel designs, ranging from 18 to 21 inches. These wheels not only enhance the car's aesthetics but also improve handling and performance. At the rear, the A8 continues to impress with its elegant LED taillights that wrap around the car. The integrated spoiler adds a subtle sporty flair, while the dual exhaust outlets provide a hint of performance. Audi offers an impressive palette of exterior colors, allowing buyers to customize their A8 to match their style. From classic hues to vibrant shades, each color enhances the vehicle's sleek lines. Overall, the 2025 Audi A8 embodies a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance. Its exterior design is not just about looks, it's about creating an unmistakable presence on the road. With its cutting-edge features and timeless elegance, the A8 sets a new standard in the luxury sedan market. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights here on Auto Odyssey.